When reassembling the Mini2, the first step is to apply a thin layer of food-grade lubricant to the back of both of the freezing cylinders. This will help the rear seals seal properly. Next, apply the rear seal to both of the freezing cylinders. Make sure the seals are slid all the way to the back of the freezing cylinder. Once both the rear seals are in place, slide on the mixing augers to both the left and right freezing cylinders and secure with the auger nuts. Keep in mind that the auger nuts are reverse threaded. Next, apply a thin layer of food-grade lubricant to the inside of the mixing bowl as shown in the video. Slide the mixing bowl over the auger until it reaches the back of the freezing cylinder. Apply pressure to the front of the mixing bowl and the rear of the machine, just as in the highlighted areas in the video. When doing so, make sure the dispensing spout is clearing the front of the machine so that there is no damage to the spout, and continue applying pressure until the spout slides down into place. With the bowls now in place, apply a thin layer of food-grade lubricant to the two O-rings on each of the dispensing valves. Then insert the valves into their slots, ensuring that the cutouts on both valves are facing forward. Next, slide the springs onto the dispensing valves. Place the tension caps over the springs and turn the caps clockwise. This will keep the tension on the springs and the valves in the closed position. Next, insert the mounts for the dispensing valve handles into the slots above the dispensing valves as shown in the video. Last, insert the L-shaped end of the handle into the cutouts on the dispensing valves and insert the pin into the handle to hold it in place, just as shown in the video.